These are from your great-grandparents in Puerto Rico. Go ahead. Good job.
Whoa. Hey, what's that, Aiden?
Here, look. I'll take the paper. Look, what's that? Is that a tool set? You can help Papa now.
Yeah.
You can help Papa fix things, right? Okay, let's put that aside. They gave you more. This is also from them. Go right there.
Whoa.
Let's turn it around, see what it is.
Whoa.
Wow! You can play with Papa. You can shoot Papa? Right? That's cool.
Look at that. Go back.
Okay, let's put that aside. They got you one more thing. One more thing. Here. Go ahead. Pull it. Go ahead. What is this? What's this?
Whoa.
A drum set. Look, a drum set. Isn't that cool? Look.
Bam, 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 bam.
Gonna play with that later?
That have?
Okay, let's put that over there. Say thank you. Aiden,
Say
look
thank
over there
you.
and say thank you. Good job. Okay, we got more gifts to open. Let's see.